Hi, my name is Isabelle and I'm a special effects makeup artist better known as Isobelle across social media. For the glam portion of this look, I'll be starting out by lining my eyes with a wide wing in black liner and then filling it in. Next, I'll be overlining that with a gold cream paint. Next, I'll be underlining my eyes with a purple eyeshadow and filling in the waterline with a black, and adding gold glitter on top of that. For the SFX portion of this look, we'll be starting out by laying down a layer of spirit gum on the nose where the scar wax is going to be. Next, we'll be blending the scar wax down into the nose using our fingers, a spatula, and some Vaseline. Now I'll be pressing the top half of the brush into the scar wax and putting a bit of spirit gum on the back of it as well to help adhere it to my face. Then I'll be adding a bit of more scar wax around the top and blending it down to create a bit of a hole effect where it would have come through the skin. The inspiration for this look is that it's a popular effect to do through the cheek or through the mouth with a pencil or pen, and I thought that it would be interesting to try and incorporate a different part of my body and a different object. So since I have some makeup brushes that the top pops off of, I thought that I could incorporate that into a look. The first step is laying a layer of latex around the edge of the bottle to create a barrier between the edges and your skin. The second is to mix parts A and B of silicone and then mix any color of glitter into it to create the drops on your face. Thirdly, we will be placing the bottle onto our face around the eye with silicone around the edges to help adhere it to your face, and then spreading it with the spatula. My inspiration for this look is that I have seen it done many times before with cans, and I personally don't think that a can is the safest option for this look as it's pretty sharp on the bottom, so I opted to use a plastic bottle padded with either silicone, latex, or cotton depending on the look that you're looking at. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.